to make a payment towards your Santander credit card balance. Follow these simple steps. First, log into your online banking account at the Santander website. If you do not have an online account, you can register for one by providing your credit card details and other required information. Once you have logged in, navigate to the credit card section and select your credit card account from the list of available accounts. You will then see your current balance, minimum payment due, and payment due date. To make a payment, click on the Make a Payment option and enter the amount you wish to pay. You can choose to pay the minimum payment, the full balance, or a fixed amount of your choice. You will then be prompted to select a payment method, which can be a bank account or a debit card. If you are using a bank account, you will need to provide the account number and routing number. If you are using a debit card, you will need to provide the card number, expiration date, and security code. After selecting your payment method, review the payment details to ensure everything is correct. You will see the payment amount, payment method, and payment date. If everything is correct, confirm the payment and you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment has been successfully processed. Alternatively, you can also make a payment over the phone by calling the Santander customer service number. You will need to provide your credit card details and payment information to the customer service representative, who will assist you in making the payment. Another option is to make a payment by mail. You can send a check or money order to the address listed on your credit card statement. Be sure to include your credit card account number on the check or money order to ensure the payment is applied correctly. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. You can set up automatic payments or payment reminders to help you stay on track. Additionally, you can also use the Santander mobile app to make payments and manage your credit card account on the go. By following these steps, you can easily make a payment towards your Santander credit card balance. Remember to always review your payment details carefully and make your payments on time to maintain a healthy credit score and avoid unnecessary fees and charges.